Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for the perfect home that's big on comfort but small on cost? A place that's stylish, functional, and grows with your family? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're diving into barndominium layouts specifically designed for modern small families. We'll explore some incredibly clever space-saving ideas and family-friendly designs that prove you don't need a mansion to live large. So, if you're dreaming of a cozy, affordable, and beautiful home, stick around. First, let's talk about why barndominiums are such a fantastic choice for small families. The number one reason: open floor plans. This design philosophy is at the heart of most barndos, and it makes even smaller square footage feel incredibly spacious and airy. Imagine cooking in the kitchen while still being part of the conversation in the living room or keeping an eye on the kids playing. This sense of connection is priceless. Plus, fewer walls mean they are so much easier to maintain and clean. Let's be real, with a small family, who has time for endless chores? Barndos also offer incredibly affordable build options compared to traditional homes, and they are designed for future expansion. So, as your family grows, your home can grow with you. It's the perfect blend of cozy, rustic charm and sleek, modern style. So, when you're planning a barndo for your family, what should you prioritize? First and foremost, practical layout is key. You want a design that beautifully balances private spaces, like bedrooms, with shared family areas. It's all about creating harmony. A safe, open living area is a non-negotiable for anyone with kids. This gives them plenty of room to play and explore while you can easily supervise. Smart storage is another huge one. Think built-in shelving, hidden cabinets, and multi-purpose rooms that can adapt to your needs, whether it's a home office that doubles as a guest room or a playroom that can later become a teen hangout. And finally, think long-term by choosing energy-efficient and low-maintenance materials. This will save you money and headaches down the road, giving you more time to enjoy your beautiful home with your loved ones. Alright, let's get into the fun stuff, the actual layouts. I've pulled together for popular plans that are perfect for small families. First up is a super efficient 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom barndo. This design is all about maximizing a smaller footprint. It features a completely open living, dining, and kitchen area that forms the heart of the home. The 2 bedrooms are typically placed on one side, offering a bit of separation and privacy. It's a simple, cost-effective design that feels surprisingly spacious and is perfect for a couple with one child. Next, we have a 1,500 square foot family plan. This one adds a couple of game-changing features: a dedicated mudroom and a large covered porch. The mudroom is an absolute lifesaver for families with kids and pets, a perfect drop zone for muddy boots, backpacks, and coats, keeping the rest of your home clean. The covered porch extends your living space outdoors, creating a wonderful spot for family dinners, morning coffee, or just watching the kids play in the yard, rain or shine. If you need a bit more room, consider our third plan, and 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom barndo with an attached garage. This layout provides a dedicated room for each child or a flexible space for a home office or guest room. The attached garage is a huge convenience, offering protection for your vehicles, extra storage, and even potential workshop space. This plan truly balances the open concept feel with the need for individual, private retreats. And finally, for young couples or single parents just starting out, there's the compact but mighty 1,000 square foot barndo. This layout is the epitome of smart design, using every inch of space effectively. It often features a loft bedroom to free up the main floor, creating a surprisingly open and livable area. It has proof that you can have a stylish and functional home without a huge footprint or budget. So, how do you make these smaller spaces feel even bigger and work harder for your family? I've got a few pro tips for you. As we've seen, an open concept layout is your best friend. Combining the kitchen, dining, and living areas into one great room creates flow and a sense of spaciousness. Don't be afraid to go vertical. Adding a loft is a brilliant way to gain an extra bedroom, play area for the kids, or a cozy reading nook without expanding the foundation. Also, think about built-ins. Custom shelves, window seats with hidden storage, and multifunctional furniture can dramatically reduce clutter and maximize your floor space. And a classic barndo touch that's also a space saver. Sliding barn doors. They eliminate the need for door swing space and add a ton of rustic character. Now, let us look ahead at the trending family-friendly design features we're seeing for 2025. Multifunctional rooms are bigger than ever. People are designing spaces that can easily transition from a home office during the day to a playroom in the afternoon. It's all about flexibility. For flooring, durability is key. Kid-friendly options like luxury vinyl plank or polished concrete are taking center stage. They look fantastic, are easy to clean, and can stand up to years of wear and tear from toys, spills, and foot traffic. Large windows are also a must-have. They flood the space with natural light, which makes any room feel larger and more inviting, and they allow you to keep an eye on outdoor play areas. Lastly, we're seeing a move towards simple, durable finishes. Think quartz countertops, simple shaker cabinets, and metal roofing. These materials are built to last and create a timeless aesthetic that won't feel dated in a few years. It's one thing to look at floor plans, but it's another to see them in real life. Let's take a look at a couple of real-life family barndominiums that truly nail these concepts. Here's the Miller family's 1,600 square foot home. Notice how their open kitchen flows right into the living area, where they've created a cozy nook for the kids to read and play. The large glass doors open onto a patio, seamlessly blending their indoor and outdoor living spaces. And check out this one, the two-bedroom barndo that uses a loft as the master suite, leaving the entire ground floor for family activities. The owners chose polished concrete floors for durability and large picture windows to capture the beautiful surrounding views. These homes are proof that with thoughtful design, a barndominium can be the perfect, practical, and beautiful backdrop for family life. Of course, we have to talk about the budget. Building a barndominium is generally more affordable than a traditional house, but costs can vary. On average, you can expect to pay between $100 and $140 per square foot. The final price depends on your location, the complexity of your design, and the quality of your interior finishes. To save on costs, many families choose prefab kits or take on some of the work themselves in a semi-die approach. This can significantly reduce labor expenses, which are often one of the biggest parts of the budget. Another tip: the land you build on matters. A flat, level plot will require a simpler and cheaper foundation, saving you money right from the start. In the end, remember this: you don't need a huge house to have a happy home. It's not about the square footage, it's about how you use it. With the right layout, smart design choices, and a focus on what your family truly needs, your barndominium can be the perfect space to make memories for years to come. It can fit your lifestyle, your budget, and your dreams perfectly. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gave you some great ideas and inspiration for your own family barndominium project. If you enjoyed this video and want more layout inspiration and small space design tips, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, happy building!